Hello, in this video we will discussing about financial freedom. Financial freedom is a monetary status that lets you free from doing a job to earn your living or need an active income source to cover your living expenses. In simple terms, financial freedom is achieved when you have enough money to make passive income and cover your regular expenses without being employed or actively running a business. What exactly does having financial freedom mean? When you have attained financial freedom, you are free to pursue your passion, such as career in music, sport, art, travel the world, so on. You do not have to worry about your finances, as you will have enough money to make your family's living expenses. Financial freedom is not about being an extremely wealthy or leading an extravagant lifestyle. It is rather than about having a sufficient amount of money to take care of your expenses. How to achieve financial freedom? There is a common misconception that you have to be born rich to be financially free. You can attain financial freedom by making smart moves at the right times. Financial freedom is a significant milestone. It takes some time to achieve. To do that, you have to save and invest as much as you can. Here are the 4 steps to achieve financial freedom. Become debt free. As having debt requires you to make periodic payments, it is essential to get debt free at the earliest if you are to achieve financial freedom. Remember, the longer you take to close your loan, the more you pay as interest towards it, delaying financial freedom. Start investing. Achieving financial freedom means that you will have a passive income source that is sufficient to take care of your family's living expenses. To achieve this, you have to start investing at the earlier. Remember, investing is the only way to attain financial freedom. The earlier you start and more you invest, the faster you will gain financial freedom. You can't stop investing once you feel you will get enough return on your investment to cover your expenses. Don't ignore risk. The modern world is such that it can bring an unpleasant surprise at any moment. You have to be prepared to tackle such situations. Even though you will not worry about your income when you have attained financial freedom, it is still required to have an emergency fund by your side. It will help if you have a good health insurance policy which offers a sufficient sum assured covering all your family members. To conclude, financial freedom is essential if you are to do what you like. It will allow you to not worry about your finances as you will have enough money to cover all your expenses. In your journey towards attaining financial freedom, you have to be financially disciplined. You must avoid spending money on unnecessary products